The reason people don't achieve the goals that they desire isn't because they haven't written it down or they haven't thought about it. Actually, they've written it down year after year after year. And it becomes this never ending loop of seeing your dreams and goals on paper. But the reason people don't achieve their goals and dreams isn't because it's not something they truly desire. It's because they are attempting to take an old identity into a new circumstance. And what I've learned and what I've experienced is every time I desire something new or greater that's different from what I've normally experienced, I have to tap into a new identity. Now, I'm praying that you guys have had an amazing time. This is a season where many people are spending time with family, maybe doing a reset mentally and emotionally, however you choose to spend this time. I pray that it's been well for you. And in your thinking, if you're like most people, you are thinking about how this year has been to you and how you'd like your new year to be. I've actually coined um, renew your brand and rebrand your life as the theme for 2025. And I understand that one of the most important things in order to see that transpire, your brand being renewed and your life being rebranded, is to tap into your identity. You see, when we're looking to have a new year, we'll say things like new year, new you. But in actuality, we're attempting to take the same you into a new reality, and it just doesn't work. The you that created this dream or goal that you just can't seem to get off the ground, that you just can't seem to achieve, is not the same you that's going to achieve it. Now, I've taken the step this year in 2024 to do an identity shifting session for myself personally. Now, I absolutely love those sessions. I do them privately with my clients, and we have absolutely amazing results. I'm seeing my clients really, really soar. And I was thinking about, like, what do I want to see as this new year comes in? What is something I really desire for 2025? And I really like to see more people embrace an identity shift and truly get those goals, dreams, and desires that they want. Not something that they're constantly looking at over and over again on their list. And I said, how can I do this? How can I think from a space of abundance and offer this opportunity for more people? And so I've decided to host what I'm calling the Shift Workshop. And I'm stepping into a new identity to do this because normally December is my productive rest month and I don't do any coaching. But again, if you remember, I said I'm stepping into an identity shift personally for some of my heart's desires. And so, of course, it's requiring me to do new things. And I'm realizing that some of the people that I want to help need the help in this particular season. And so the workshop is an opportunity for me to do some identity shifting with more than one individual. Actually, I'm taking 10 people, only 10. I know it's a small number, but I'm only taking 10 people because identity shifting sessions are personal. There is interaction, it's actually workshop style. And so I didn't want to be overwhelmed. I also wanted to make sure that I was fully available for everyone in the way that they, number one, deserve, but number two, would need for this type of shifting. Because we're not doing the changes, the ordinary changes that you make, like learning a new skill set or getting some new information. We are shifting from an identity level, and it's completely different. I'm super excited to offer this opportunity. And also, because it's Black Friday, this is something else I haven't done in quite some time. I am offering an opportunity for you to join at a Black Friday rate. And so at this time, you probably have between 24 and 48 hours to take advantage of this particular opportunity. And then it will go to its regular price. And only 10 people. I'm super excited. Listen, the way to get those things off of that list isn't to beat yourself up. It isn't to, go super hard, because you can do that and then burn out and you're right back to square one. Many people have so many things on their list of things to do and desires for the new year at the beginning of the year, and they absolutely February, March at the latest, have retracted. And what they've retracted back to is that old identity, right? And so until you make that identity shift, what you're desiring, those goals, dreams, and desires that you have, they'll be on a never ending loop, a list that you're looking at year after year after year, over and over. And I want to help you to shift that. So join us for the Shift Workshop. I'm super, super excited. And take advantage of the Black Friday opportunity. Now, there's so much I can say, but I'll save it. I'm super excited. I'm so blessed. I really, I can't explain what transpired for me in this particular identity shifting session that I did personally. I do them all the time. I've had many opportunities where I've completely changed my entire life by shifting my identity. And I want to support you in the same thing. Let's get it done, right? That big thing that's been on your list over and over, let's shift for that. Peace and abundance.